Hey everyone, this is Erin from Don's Appliances, and today we are joined by Jared from our McKnight Road showroom. And today we're going to talk about the GE Front Load 655 series, washer and dryer. If you are like me and a little vertically challenged, having a stacked washer and dryer is a little challenging to try. I mean, I'm completely on my tippy toes right now to figure out what cycles you're going to use, how you're going to control that. And so if your space only allows to have a front load washer and dryer, it makes it very challenging. You don't want to just have a stool laying around. So what GE came up with was you're actually able to control your dryer from your washer. There's a little button right here that says dryer control. And what we found to be one of the easiest things to do is connecting it to the app. So today we have Jared here. He's going to kind of walk us through how to, connect both of those appliances. Unfortunately, we aren't able to connect the dryer, but we are going to at least show you how to connect the washer and walk through that process. So, Jared, let's see how to do it.
All right, so first thing you're going to do for iPhone users, go to your app store, find the SmartHQ app. As you can see, I already have it downloaded. Go in, put in your information, make an account. We're going to open this up. You're going to add an appliance. Scroll all the way down to laundry right here. You're going to click on washer. Obviously, rinse and repeat for the dryer. Front load. Select your control panel type. Obviously, this looks like that. And then what you're going to want to look for is press and hold the Wi-Fi symbol. So it's one of those things, if you blink, you miss it, but it's actually right here where this time saver button is. So you're going to hold that guy in, and then once you see that starts flashing, it's searching for a signal. Alright, and as you can see, it's going to look for all your Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi, put in your password. And then this probably is going to take around 3 to 5 minutes to fully connect. So don't worry, as long as you put in your password right, it'll get there.
This is where I said before we have to cue the Jeopardy theme music. Do, 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 do. And it's already finishing up. I didn't want to hear me sing Jeopardy anymore.
Yeah, probably. Alright, so once that's all set up, you hit get started. And then you can see you'll have full control over your washer. So it'll tell you what cycle it's set to, temperature, spin speed. It'll actually tell you when your detergent reservoir needs filled up again.
And that is right here. So you're actually able to add up to 50 ounces of detergent in the Smart Dispense, and then it will kind of walk you through and let you know when you're starting to get low, which is nice because sometimes you really don't know how much is left, and it's like taking all the guesswork out of that, which is great.
And most people don't know how much detergent to use.
Yeah. So, and then it sounds like it's going to be just as easy to connect the dryer, just like that.
Yeah, it's rinse and repeat for the dryer, same deal.
Perfect. And you can do everything from the app. It sounds like all your controls, everything. So no more getting on your tippy toes, grabbing a stool, having to worry about, do I have the right cycle? Everything is completely through your phone or through this control center right here.
So the only thing that's different on the dryer is it says damp alert is the button you want to hit, but you'll see it says Wi-Fi directly underneath. Same thing, you just hold that in until the Wi-Fi signal starts flashing, and then it'll walk you through just like how it did on my phone.
Perfect. Well, please show up, come see what's going on at all of our locations. Like I said, this one is here at our McKnight Road showroom. You can meet with Jared or any of the other can we do that part over again? Okay. All right, thanks so much for joining us today, guys. Be sure to check out one of our showrooms to come see these GE Front Load in person, and thank you so much for being with us today, Jared. We appreciate your help and hopefully walking through how easy it is to set that up on Wi-Fi.
Glad to help.